this is great view of Lake Kivu,
Yes.
as you can see.
Yes.
So
As you wake up with a very beautiful view of the sunset and the sunrise.
Okay.
You just wake up to a very beautiful view.
Okay.
This is one of our accommodation,
Okay.
and it's called Obuchi,
Ubuchi.
meaning it's in our traditional language. It's called honey.
Okay.
So this is it. This is the sitting room that
This
comes
is-
with a fridge.
We have a small fridge.
Yes.
We have a sofa.
Yes.
This is dining area.
Yes, and then it comes with one single bedroom.
Single bedroom here.
Yes. One double bedroom.
Double bedroom with mosquito net
Yes.
and light. And we have a charging space also there.
Yes.
You can charge anything. This is the charger, universal charger. This is universal charger. You can charge laptop, phones, everything. And this is also single room.
Single room.
We have too many rooms inside.
Yes, this is more of a family style.
Family, if you wanted to come with family,
Yes.
this is best package. We have a double bedroom, single bedroom, and single bedroom here.
And
Then this
toilet
is
and the
our
bathroom.
restroom.
Yes.
You can show. We have a basin. This is for bathing, and this is for answer the nature call. So everything include there, and there is a small frigo. Whatever you want, you can put inside, and ready to go. Oh, that's great, man.
You are most welcome to Muzinga retreats.
Thank you so much. And then this view, oh my God, feel like I'm leaving heaven. And people are moving. This place is very calm. That is the best part of this Muzinga retreat. You can view. We have a good scenic view, cinematic view, and evening time, morning time, when you wake up, you can see the sunset, even sunrise and sunset.
Yes.
You can enjoy from here as well. That is the best thing. Anything else? And we have another sofa for outside.
Yes.
You can sit and just take a small nap. Everything is okay for whatever you want.
And we have the best security. Nothing can happen to you
Yeah.
at Muzinga.
No, even whole Rwanda, the safest country and cleanest country of Africa,
Yes.
Kigali, Rwanda, they
As long as you step in Rwanda,
yes,
the security is
yes.
100%.
So, Nina, I wanted to know what was the price if someone wanted to visit.
Yes.
The main thing, the budget. So, how much for family package, how much for the couples, and how much for the single one? Explain, please.
Okay, for a family style, we do $70.
$70
Yes.
per night.
Per night.
Okay. So, what is the checkout time and what is the check-in time?
The check-in time is 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
and then checkout is 11 a.m.
11 a.m.
Yes.
So they book online.
Yes, there's our website online,
Okay.
and we also have another website that
Okay.
is run with other colleagues of mine that we work with.
Okay. I will put the number of yours and hotels, so it will be easy. They can directly call and book as well.
Yes, and then for the couple, it's $50 per couple.
Per couple. Okay.
Yes, and for a single person, we do $30 per night.
Per night.
Yes.
Okay.
And all those three packages come with a fully packed breakfast.
Fully packed breakfast.
Yes.
Breakfast is included there.
Yes, it's bed and breakfast. We include the breakfast.
Okay.
Yes.
So generally, what you provide in breakfast?
We do provide fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
We provide any choice of your tea that you want to take,
Okay.
and then an omelette of your choice.
Okay, like French omelette, plain omelette, whatever you want.
Spanish.
With mukati, eh?
Yes, and
Breads.
then umgati, which is bread.
Okay,
Yes.
that is good.
Yes.
So breakfast included here,
Yes.
and for single, I think $30,
Yes.
and for a couple, $50,
Yes.
and for family package, I think $70.
Yes. $70.
And we already showed this room for family. We have many rooms here, and every amenities are there.
Yes.
You can come and enjoy.
Yes.
Okay. Merci. Sawa merci.
And thank you so much. Murakoze cyane.
Okay. Thank you.